Hello, Hamster CEOs. Welcome to claiming your 1 million hamster daily cipher for today. So, if you're a newbie, you're going to click on this word that says daily cipher, and once you click on it, the page will automatically switch to the cipher page. Now, the word for today is chain, CHAIN. To get our C, we are going to long press, short tap, that is a dash, long press, short tap, long press, short tap. To get our H, we are going to short tap 4 times to get the H. Short tap 4 times. To get our A, we are going to short tap and long press. Short tap, long tap. So a tap and a dash. To get our I, we are going to short tap twice. And then to get our N, we are going to long press and short tap. And there you go, you can claim your 1 million hamster prize. And don't forget to use this to boost your profit per hour, as it is the main criteria for airdrop. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you.